Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the ultimate performance mode on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Whether you're on a desktop or a laptop, this mode unlocks maximum system performance, great for gaming, editing, rendering, or any heavy workload. Let's jump right in. So first, what exactly is Ultimate Performance Mode? It's a hidden power plan that Microsoft designed for high-end PCs to eliminate micro-latency and boost responsiveness. Basically, it keeps your CPU and hardware running at full throttle without power-saving restrictions. It's perfect for gaming PCs, video editors, and creators. Or if you just want your system running at max speed. Now, let's enable it using PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator, then run the following command. You'll see a message confirming that the Ultimate Performance Power Scheme was added successfully. Search and open Control Panel. Then from the View by drop-down menu, select Large Icons. Next, click Power Options, choose Show Additional Plans, and finally select Ultimate Performance. One quick note, if you're on a laptop, this mode will drain your battery faster since it disables power-saving features, so it's best to use it while plugged in or when you need maximum power for gaming or editing sessions, and that's it. You've successfully enabled Ultimate Performance Mode on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.